I'd like to tell you a little bit about the fly-in process that we have at the STS. Basically, you come to Washington, D.C. It's usually a 2-day event, so you fly in the night before or the morning of, and then we have a day of education about, you get to talk to some lobbyists, you get to talk to some congressmen, to some senators, our Washington, D.C. office staff. They explain the process of how to lobby, how to go visit up on the Hill, what sort of the talking points of the STS, what are the bills that are currently under review. They then set up all the meetings for you, so you get to meet with your 2 senators and your congressperson, and the next morning you typically walk up to the Capitol and go in the various offices. They give you a map, and you get to see the nuts and bolts of your government at work. It's quite entertaining, actually, because you see all sorts of famous people up there. All the people you see on the news are walking around, including the news people. And you get to see how government works. You walk by various committee meetings, you walk by various staffers, and in my case, I'm from Minnesota, so I get to see Senator Franken, and get to see Senator Klobuchar. Sometimes you meet with them. Most of the time you meet with their staffers, which is an interesting process. And then when you get back from that visit, you get the card and the email of these people, and you can have a conversation with them. And occasionally, when an issue comes up that Senator Franken wants some more input on, they will actually send you an email and ask your opinion. And so you feel like you have some input into the process. It gives you a view of how the government works, and it really helps out the cardiothoracic surgery specialty, gets us known up on the Hill. So when legislation is being drafted, they reach out to us and they respect our opinions.